You are going to love the 2021 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, cargo net, universal garage door opener, compass. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.